Ready? Start. I have considered the facts and circumstances of the case and submissions made by learned counsel for the appellants and learned AGA. As I have stated above that the appellant has no grievance from this part of the order by which the bail was granted to the appellant full stop. The grievance is only to this part of the order in which a condition precedent was imposed for depositing the amount of personal bond which was filed earlier and had already been forfeited full stop. There is no such circumstances before me at this stage that under what circumstances the personal bond was forfeited by a special judge oblique trial court full stop. But it is evident from the record that personal bond and bail bonds to the tune of rupees 75,000 was furnished by the appellant and there is no reason to disbelieve the argument of appellant's counsel full stop. Now, if the appellant is to be released on bail, then in order to secure and facilitate his release, the appellant shall have to deposit a sum of rupees 75,000 of personal bond full stop. Although appellant's counsel argued that this condition is redundant in law and there is no legality in imposing the condition full stop, it is material to be considered that whether in case in which the personal bond has been forfeited, then in subsequent bail whether such a condition may be imposed full stop. It is the discretion of the court either to order to initiate the separate recovery proceedings or to impose the condition for the payment of amount of personal bond as a condition precedent to release the appellant full stop. I am of the opinion that nothing is illegal in imposing this condition full stop. But I agree with the argument of learned counsel for the appellant that the amount of rupees 75,000 is too heavy amount and the court ought to have taken this fact into consideration that the appellant had already appeared in court and considering his bona fide of the appellant trial court ought to have reduced this amount so that he may be able to deposit the amount as provided in section 446 bracket 3 bracket close CRPC full stop. The order of granting bail must not amount to denial of bail by imposing the condition which is extremely different rather not possible to fulfill the condition full stop. The condition must be reasonable which can be fulfilled by a man of ordinary means full stop. I agree with the argument of the appellant's counsel that amount is too excessive to be deposited full stop para. In my opinion, this amount may be reduced and must be reduced to the extent so that the appellant may be able to deposit the amount of personal bond full stop. In my opinion, a sum of rupees 15,000 will be most appropriate in the circumstances of the case full stop. It will be just and proper in the case to reduce the amount of personal bond of rupees 75,000 to rupees 15,000 full stop. The appeal deserves to be dismissed at this stage, but the order of the special judge is to be modified full stop para. For the reasons mentioned above, the appeal is dismissed full stop. However, the order of a special judge bracket Gangster Act bracket close dated 14/8/2007 is modified to this extent that the appellant shall deposit the amount of rupees 15,000 instead of rupees 75,000 before the trial court and whenever the appellant shall deposit the he amount, he shall be released forthwith in compliance of the order of the trial court. Full stop. Thanks friends watching my video. Like, share and subscribe please.